Right now, there is an organ in your body that produces more serotonin than your brain does. It talks to your brain every single second of every single day. And most doctors never mention it during a routine checkup. I'm talking about your gut, and by the end of this video, you will understand why so many men who feel anxious, foggy, tired, or simply off are actually dealing with a gut problem wearing a brain problems mask. Here's what almost nobody tells you. Your gut and your brain are wired together through something called the vagus nerve, a direct communication highway running from your digestive tract straight up to your brainstem. Scientists call this the gut-brain axis, and it explains why a stressful meeting can suddenly upset your stomach, and why chronic gut inflammation can leave you feeling anxious for no clear reason at all. For men over 45, this connection becomes even more important. Years of processed food, alcohol, antibiotics, and chronic stress slowly damage the lining of the gut and shift the balance of bacteria living inside it. When that balance breaks down, a condition researchers call dysbiosis, the effects don't stay in the stomach. They show up as brain fog that makes it hard to focus at work. They show up as low mood that creeps in for no obvious reason. They show up as poor sleep, low motivation, and even changes in memory that get quietly blamed on getting older. The uncomfortable truth is this. Roughly 90% of your body's serotonin, the chemical most associated with mood and calm, is produced in your gut, not your brain. So when someone tells you to just think positive, while their gut is inflamed and out of balance, they are fighting biology with willpower, and biology usually wins. And here's where it gets serious. Chronic gut inflammation has been linked in research to increased anxiety, depressive symptoms, and even long-term neurological decline. Men are especially vulnerable because they are statistically less likely to talk about digestive symptoms, less likely to see a doctor early, and more likely to write off bloating, irregular digestion, or low energy as just part of getting older. Think about what that actually means. That afternoon crash you push through with another coffee. That short temper you can't quite explain. That feeling of mental fog that makes you reread the same email 3 times. These are not just signs of stress or aging. For many men, they are early warning signs from a gut that has been silently struggling for years, sending distress signals through the vagus nerve that finally reach the brain as mood and focus problems. Left unaddressed, this cycle tends to get worse, not better. Poor gut health disrupts sleep. Poor sleep increases inflammation. Increased inflammation further damages the gut lining, and the cycle feeds itself month after month, while the real cause stays hidden underneath symptoms that look like just stress or just getting older. The good news is that the gut-brain axis works in both directions, which means you can start repairing this connection starting today without medication, using 4 evidence-informed pillars. Feed the good bacteria. Add fermented foods like plain yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut, and fiber-rich vegetables that feed beneficial gut bacteria and help crowd out the harmful ones. Cut the gut disruptors. Minimize ultra-processed foods, excess alcohol, and unnecessary sugar, all of which are shown to damage the gut lining and shift bacterial balance in the wrong direction. Activate the vagus nerve directly. Simple practices like slow diaphragmatic breathing, cold water on the face, and humming or singing have been shown to stimulate vagal tone, improving the gut-brain signal in both directions. Protect your sleep like it's medicine. Deep sleep is when your gut lining repairs itself. Aim for a consistent sleep and wake time, since irregular sleep is directly linked to disrupted gut bacteria. None of these require a prescription. They require consistency. And for most men, noticeable changes in mood, focus, and energy begin within 2 to 4 weeks of consistently applying even 2 or 3 of these pillars together. If this explained a feeling you've had, but never had a name for, that's not a coincidence. That's your gut talking to your brain, exactly the way we just discussed. Comment the word "free" below, and I'll send you my simple 3-day gut reset checklist that walks you through exactly what to eat, what to avoid, and how to start rebuilding this connection this week. And if you found this valuable, subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week we're breaking down the specific foods that quietly wreck your testosterone without you realizing it. Take care of your gut. It's been taking care of you longer than you knew.